read my mind. I was getting kind of hungry too.
Oh, so what should we eat? I want pizza with extra cheese. How's that?
I want crispy fried chicken.
Oh, come on. Let's have pizza topped with tomato sauce, extra cheese, ham, and olives.
No, I want chicken that's crispy on the outside and super tender on the inside. Chicken that tastes great on its own or dipped in sauce. Wow, that sounds so good.
Oh, come on. Let's have pizza today.
No, let's have chicken today.
Pizza!
Chicken!
Pizza!
Chicken! Nitty! Instead of arguing, how about we decide with a game?
All right. You know I'm good at games. Which game?
Let's make a cool spinner.
A spinner? Okay, I got this! Let's make it! Button module. Motor controller module. Motor module. Network module. Battery module. Eye horn. Shoe brick. Basic brick. Making pack spinner template. Double-sided tape. All right, drum roll, please. In order to make the spinner, we must say, I need your help.
Of course you need Say. The maker genius. Ha 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 ha. All right, shall we start with the base?
Okay.
Prepare piece number 1 of the template and fold it. Then put piece number 2 between piece number 1. Make sure the gray squares face inwards. Are you looking, Nettie?
Yes, of course.
Like this? Ta-da!
Say, next, do we attach the modules to the basic brick?
Bingo! I'll tell you how to arrange the modules. The network, motor controller, and button modules go on the left. Like this. And like this. And the battery module goes on the right. Like this.
Next, we stick the basic brick on the big gray square.
Ooh, Nettie, you're pretty smart. Like this. Ta-da! Now, use double-sided tape to stick the shoe brick on the small gray square on the inside of piece number 2. Like this. Like this. Also, Nettie, when you attach the motor module to the shoe brick, it's important for the motor shaft to face upwards. Keep that in mind.
Okay!
Ta-da!
Wow! The base is finally complete!
Nettie, now let's make the spinner.
Okay!
We should prepare pieces number 3 and number 4 first. Attach piece number 3 to the holder.
Ooh! Aha! Aha! I got it! Say! We get to write what we want on the empty spinner, right?
That's right! Wow, Nettie, you got it! That's right. We can draw or stick on whatever we want.
I want to eat pizza quickly. I hope the pizza picture I want to eat is huge! So big that it catches your eye right away!
Nettie, how about we finish this first? Now, attach the eye horn to the motor shaft. Like this. Next, attach piece number 4 to the eye horn with double-sided tape.
Uh-huh!
Like this. Wow, the spinner is finally complete.
Ooh, now it really begins! Nettie, the coding master, will make the spinner spin with coding! Learn coding! Did you check to make sure that the Modi modules are connected?
If you can see the connected modules on the module map on the right, your connection is good.
Okay, now we have to code it so when we press the button, the arrow will spin randomly. We have to code for 2 situations. 1 for when we press the button and 1 for when we don't press the button. So, we need to drag the if-then-else block from the control block palette and put it inside the forever block. Next, drag the button click is pressed block from the hardware block palette to the if-then-else block. Then, drag the set motor angle 1 to 0, 2 to 0 block from the hardware block palette and put it under the if-then part of the if-then-else block. Next, change the angle to speed and set motor speed 1 to 100. In order to keep the motor spinning for a certain time, bring the wait 1 second block from the control block palette and set it under the set motor speed 1 to 100, 2 to 0 block. Are you keeping up?
Of course.
To make the arrow spin randomly, bring the pick random 1 to 10 block from the block palette operators into the wait 1 second block and change the numbers to 2 and 5.
What does the pick random 1 to 10 block do?
This is a block that randomly chooses one number between the 2 numbers that were entered. In other words, it means random.
I see. If we do that and we press the button once, the arrow will spin for a random time between 2 and 5 seconds, and then stop.
Exactly! Now, should we make the code for when we don't press the button? Bring the set motor angle 1 to 0, 2 to 0 block from the hardware block palette and place it under else. Change the angle to speed, and the coding is all done!
Wow, that's awesome, Nettie. We also can't forget to press the green flag button to upload it, right?
Of course! The coding for the spinner of fortune is complete!
Now, let's stick what we want to eat on the spinner.
Okay, pizza! Pizza!
Chicken that Say wants to eat in one blank. Pizza that Nettie wants to eat in one blank. And in the extra blank space, nothing. So fun.
All right! Finally, I will have my pizza. I will totally eat pizza.
What? Nettie, what did you say?
Nothing. Now, let's start.
All right, let's give it a spin. Please, chicken!
Pizza, pizza. Ugh. What? I don't believe it. Nothing. Neither of us can eat what we wanted. Why didn't it stop at pizza? I want my pizza!
Nettie, stop crying. Why don't we go eat both chicken and pizza?
What?
Now that I'm hungry, I kind of want pizza.
Actually, both pizza and chicken sound really good.
Okay, Nettie, let's go out to eat.